Yo, yo, yo! What is going on, guys? Close my mic here. Okay, let's. My plan for this video is gonna keep it really short because I just want to show you a few things why I think keeping. I know my webcam lighting is real bad. You can't really see me. I'm in my hallway again, and I don't have any quality. I don't have any quality recording kit or gear, so yeah, I apologize for that. But yeah, I just wanna go over real quick why I think that keeping a trading journal is a good thing, and the what I discovered. I discovered something I'm not gonna do anymore, so hopefully that I discovered something that resulted in a lot of losing trades, and what I'm not going to do anymore based on that. And yeah, let's get right into it. So you all know my trading journal, right? And I really took my trading you know I don't know what's the thing I'm trying to say here. I really started to take my trading seriously, this last month in October. I think I already showed this in my last video, but look at the trades I took in a week, basically. Let's say this was, let's see what this was. So this was September 24th. Okay, Thursday. So yeah, these are the trades I took in a week. That's 27 trades in a week. And look how many trades I took in a month, in October. So in October, the total trades I took were 36. So roughly the same amount. So I took 36 trades in October versus I took 27 trades in the last week of September. So that's already showing me that I've taken it more seriously. I'm more picky for my trades, and I got rules now. So I used to have two strategies. Now I only use one. I used to trade breaks and retest of horizontal levels during trends, right? So I saw a clear trend. There was a horizontal level or a zone. Price broke that, came back for retest, and then I looked for some rejection to place a buy or a sell if it was a downtrend, right? So since you're basically looking for a reversal, when a break happens and then a retest happens, you're basically looking for a reversal at that retest, right? So, and my second strategy was to trade tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms at key zones. So when there's a big range, right, you only look at the top of the range and the bottom of the range for a specific candle price action, right? So that's that that was a reversal, trade strategy. And I thought, why not combine these two, right? And so I took a few trades that were a break and retest, and I saw a tweezer bottom or tweezer top at that retest. So I thought, put two and two together, you get a good strategy. but it didn't work out for me. Maybe it will work out for somebody else, but not. It didn't work out for me because during the whole during during October, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades that included break and retest, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 1. I only have one winner with this strategy, 6 losers, right? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losers and 2 break-evens. So it's safe to say I'm not gonna be doing that anymore. And I had a big losing streak over here, but I still okay. I was down, like I was minus €2 with this week. So look how many losing trades I had. I only had 3 winners, and I was still break even. So that's why the last title of my video is why your win rate in Forex that doesn't matter. It's your risk to reward. So I can go. I'm gonna go over these real quick because there's only like 9 trades and they don't need much explanation. So this was a downtrend, right? And okay, here I didn't see. I think this is a 4-hour, right? This is 4-hour. I think I remember this because I think I saw. Yes, I saw tweezers on the 1-hour. Let me see if we have an exit image on the 1-hour maybe. No, I'm still on the 4-hour. I'm not gonna go, in the charts looking for this trade because I don't think I have it marked up anymore. Okay, I do. Let's see here. It's a pretty big circle here. Oh, this is already in the 1-hour. So I think I counted this as a tweezer top, but I don't trade these anymore that have this much difference in the length of the wicks. But there is a John Wick setup here that Justin trades as well. So we have a downtrend, right? And there's a break and retest for this level here. Let me go back to the previous. There's a break and retest at this level here, right? And started to go down went down for 2 times, but then shot back up. So this was one trade. Let's go for the second one. Okay, AUD NZD again. Oh, then I thought break and retest to the upside, but break and retest to the upside. Did I mark this up? Yeah, I did. And of course, it wicked. I closed this and then I saw this kangaroo and I re-entered and then it still wicked me out, stopped me out actually. But I didn't saw tweezers here, did I? Yeah. I didn't saw tweezers here. Okay, AUD NZD again. Okay, this was I think this was the one that I re-entered. Yeah. So a kangaroo here. It didn't. Okay, so here, right? There's a tweezer, variation of a tweezer that I don't trade anymore. Variation of a tweezer, I had a break and retest. That didn't work out. I traded the break and retest that didn't have a tweezer. That didn't work out. I traded a break and retest that had a kangaroo. That didn't work out. That had no tweezers. So UDNZD again. What the heck? So I guess I should stop trading UDNZD. Okay, I used to trade. That one worked out actually. There was a break and retest, but not into the direction that I want. That I would have traded it just for the sake of break and retest. So actually, that doesn't really count. That doesn't count. That's not exactly a break and retest. In line with the reversal, because if I would have only traded breaks and retest, then I would have sold this. If I traded tweezers, then I would have bought this, and I bought this. I went long on this, so that doesn't really count as a break and retest. There's a break and retest happening, but there's a tweezer with a bullish engulfing. So I don't know why I stated a break and retest there. That doesn't count. So the only winning trade that I had marked up with a break and retest that I just now deleted was the only winner with a break and retest, and combined with tweezers. So I have had no winning trades with a break and retest combined with tweezers. So Euro CHF, oh yeah, the last trade. That one was this one. Yeah, so there's a break and retest here, and I caught the whole move because it shot back down after that. I think I still have it marked up over here. Yeah, this was this trade over here. Boom. Euro CHF. Let's check this out. So breakout of a consolidation, right? I used to take these trades. I don't anymore because let's see if I still have it marked up. Yep, this is the trade right here. I don't really trade Euro CHF because that's like too rangy for me. That's like, I don't know, too weird. So this is a pretty decent tweezer with a bearish engulfing. I thought about closing it more than once, but I didn't close it over here. And this is what happened. It would have stopped me out before going into the right direction. So you can call this a stop hunt or whatever, I don't know. Didn't work out for me. Euro AUD. Let's check this out. So yeah, look at the move I missed. God damn. I still have it marked up. It's pretty painful to see, in times. Damn, man. Okay, so a break and retest, right? Pretty decent level. Pretty decent trend, right? Going up, break and retest. So I guess there was a peak formation high at this point because the trade reversed. Started and ended up going down. And where did I see this? Okay, I didn't see any tweezers here, so just a break and retest. Okay, yeah. This is a trade I would have taken normally. Upward channel, break and retest. Yeah, sounds like a pretty decent trade. didn't end up working out, and it ended up being a loser. USDJPY. Okay, I think it's even visible here. There's a big ass bearish engulfing candle, and a tweezer. Still a variation of a tweezer because I probably have still have it marked up. Yep. Oh fuck. Sorry. So this one right here. Yeah, I don't trade these anymore because with a difference that big between the wicks, those those tweezers don't work for me. I've seen them work, but yeah. Okay. So actually going over this in this video right now, it looks like I haven't really given a fair shot or a fair shot combining these two strategies. Let's go over the last one as well. So, but yeah, this was the trade I took. Looked for a break and retest. It actually looked like it ended up working out because look at this. Here, these two candles, right? Beautiful tweezers. You know, you can pretty much say 90% the same length wicks. Twisted up with a bearish engulfing, and look what happened. You know, boom, right to the next zone, right? So you can actually say that I wasn't patient enough because it did a stop hand, formed a beautiful tweezer top with a bearish engulfing, dropped straight downwards to the next zone of resistance basically that I had marked up. I don't know why the line is so, probably because of the 4 hour. Yeah, I like to put the line close to the close of the candles. So actually going over these trades in this video right now, it looks like I didn't actually give the combined strategy a fair shot. So I'm actually thinking right now, because I have seen trades work with there was a good example. I think it was AUD CAD, or was it AUD CHF? Yeah, because look at this. This is not the trade I took. I just marked it up because look at this beautiful downwards channel, right? Break and retest of a pretty defined horizontal level. And look what's here. Beautiful tweezer top with a bearish engulfing, right? If you zoom in that close, it's not really. The candles get too big, and it's really hard. It's weird to see, but if you zoom out a little, the twisted tops, they stand out pretty good. And this was a clear break and retest. Price consolidated a little bit, formed an M right here actually, which is a reversal sign, formed a beautiful tweezer top with a bearish engulfing, and then dropped like straight down. So this is a trade I saw, but I think I was already in an AUD pair, so I decided not to get into this. It would have ended up working out. And I don't remember exactly when I drew this circle here, but price was way down here. Now you don't have to believe me. You can just say you just put the circle here before you start making the video. But no, man. I put this circle here because there's a downward channel, and that region intersected with top of the channel with horizontal level. So I just thought price would have some kind of reaction here, and it did. It dropped. And there was also a break and retest, you know, if you want to like check it the 4-hour level. There was also a break and retest of the horizontal level if you didn't want to trade this one, because this is also a good tweezer top with bearish engulfing. You know, the candles are the same length. It's the same open and close of the candles. The next candle, you know, engulfs the previous candle. So actually these two strategies with only, you know, based on this one example, they work, because, you know, going over these trades I took here previously, it looks like the tweezers I traded, you know, they weren't the tweezers I trade right now. So I don't like the wicks being those that I don't like the wicks that have that kind of a difference. So yeah, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna um, overcomplicate my strategy right now, because the thing I do right now works. If I see a goddamn clear setup, yeah, then maybe I'll take it. I'll sure as hell, you know, mark it up in the journal here, so I can, you know, come back in a month, maybe month or two, trading, and see if the strategy still works, because, you know, MFX clients seem to have a great, you know, have great results with the break and retest, you know, but this is the break and retest is just, you know, one confirmation. There's a trend, there's a level, there's a break, and, you know, when you all combine that, you know, that's only one rule. You know, find the trend, find the clear level, find the break and retest, but there's no confirmation, you know, for an entry detection whether you should take the trade at the retest or not. You know, there's nothing specific. Now I got something specific, and if, you know, I have to test this out a little bit more, because, you know, going over these trades, I didn't really give this a fair shot. So, but, you know, for the sake of the video, let's just look at the last trade I took. USD CHF. Yeah. So, yeah, I would have, you know, if I do, you know, try this combined strategy still, this would have been a definite, you know, trade I would have taken. So I would have lost this trade anyway. The only way I wouldn't have lost this trade if I wouldn't have taken it, because, you know, when you check it on a 1 hour, it's at the key zone, basically based on the, no, it's not. Yeah, it's not. So the only reason I took this trade was because there was a break and retest happening. If I had chosen not to look at the break and retest, I would have probably not taken this trade. You know, based solely on that, you know, tweezer bottom, tweezer top strategy. Okay, yeah, but yeah, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna pursue this or not, because the simpler the better, right? So don't overcomplicate things. But it would help me, you know, catch more moves. So yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna think it over a bit. But I don't want to take this video, take it too long. Sorry, 24 minutes. That's all I got for you today, guys. Okay, stay safe. You know, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.